back to the kitchen. I'm going to start a new series on the channel, and it's going to be summer salads. I had a soup on Saturday during the fall and winter where I posted a lot of soup recipes, and that's in the that link to that playlist is in the description box below. But I want to start a new series, summer salads, and I'll do that throughout the summer. And the very first salad that I want to share as my husband's favorite is the tuna shells ranch bacon salad. Very easy to make. You just need some of the small macaroni shells. I'm going to make a double batch, so I'm going to use 2 cans of tuna. You can use white or regular. I've got some bacon bits and English cucumber, mayonnaise, and then the ranch dip mix. And this is very easy to make. The leftovers are great because all you have to do is add a little milk or a little mayonnaise to revive it back up, but it is very delicious and very easy to make. So let's get busy and I'll show you how to make this tuna shell pasta salad. Okay, the first step is to heat up a pot of water and cook the shell macaroni according to the directions. You want these done, cooked through, and then rinsed off in some cool water. So that's the first step, is to go ahead and cook the macaroni. Okay, while the pasta is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and cut up the cucumber into small pieces. You can use any kind of cucumber. I just like the English cucumber for this salad because one cucumber makes a lot. So I'm just cutting this up into small bite-sized pieces, and we're going to mix that up in the salad. Okay, now I'm going to add in the tuna, and I've drained it. I'm making a double batch. If you were just making for a couple of people, you would half this. So half a box of pasta and 1 can of tuna, but we're going to the beach, so I wanted to carry this to eat at the beach. Pack it in the cooler. And then just break up that tuna. And now we're going to mix up our mayonnaise and the ranch dressing. Okay, I'm going to mix 2 cups of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of the ranch dressing mixed together. You can add more ranch if you like a really good ranch flavor. We'll stir this up and see how this looks. Okay, there's 2 cups of mayonnaise. And we'll get the ranch dressing mix. Get 2 tablespoons of that. Oops, 1. Ooh, wow. Okay, that might have been 3. Good stir, mix it, and I like to let this sit before adding it to the pasta and the tuna, so it absorbs all of the powder in the mayonnaise. That looks about right. Let me give it a little taste. Yep. So it was 2 really heaping tablespoons of ranch. Or you could do 2 packets. If you don't have this, you can use 2 packets, I guess. All right. Now I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes while I wait for the pasta to get done, and that way all of the powder gets absorbed into the mayonnaise. Okay, here is the pasta. Now I'm going to add in the tuna, bacon, and cucumber. Let me bring it a little bit closer. And now the mayonnaise. It's so good. This makes a nice big bowl full. And I just put it in the refrigerator, get a good chill on it, and serve it with crackers. Very easy. Very pretty. All right. Okay, we're going to have some for dinner tonight, and then I'm going to pack a container to take to the beach tomorrow. This is really good the next day. If it is a little bit dry from the pasta, you can add milk or a little bit more mayonnaise to it. Stir it up and it'll be fine. So that's for tomorrow. Let's get that in the fridge. And this will be for supper tonight. Ooh, this made a bunch. I think I could make one more batch for the beach. So there you have it, ranch, tuna, and shell pasta salad. This is the first in the summer salad series, so check out the playlist and keep watching for more salads. This is Papa's favorite tuna salad, and we just serve it with some plain old saltine crackers, and it's great for a hot summer day. When you've been outside working in the yard and you want a cool supper, this is perfect. I'll leave the recipe below in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. And stay tuned for more salad recipes.